like that. And then it doesn't have to be perfect. See that? And then if you want to build a castle, you're going to need all of them. You need all of the sand. Then you're going to need all of the sand to make a perfect castle. So let's start making the castle. Okay. You need to press it very hard to make a perfect castle. Can you see all the details? You need... Okay, take the top. That's how sand is. This castle is nice and good. And it's very soft. Like when you destroy it, burn, burn,